In this video, we are going to practice the letters A through F. We are working with a very simple cursive font, starting with the capital A. Up here at the top, we are going to do a big bump, big line up, down, tail. Big bump, big line up, down, tail. And take that all the way across. Next is lowercase a. Pretty much the same as the uppercase, but half the size. Make sure you're using that dotted line to help you with the sizing of your letters. Starting here, it's a little bump, little line up, down, tail. Little bump, little line up, down, tail. Take that all the way across. Take your time. The slower we go now forming our letters, the faster we will be able to write later on. Next, uppercase B. Starting here with the tail, big line down, then back up, bump, little loop, bump, and tail. So this tail will go through the B into the next letter. Again, tail, big line down, up, bump, loop, bump, tail. Next is lowercase b. Starting here at the baseline, it's a big loop up, down, little bump, and a tail. Big loop up, down, bump, tail. Next is uppercase C. Starting at the top, little loop, big bump, tail. Now I know this doesn't look like a tail, but you can see it's different from a regular C that's curved all the way around. It's slightly straight right here, so it can go into the next letter when you connect. Little loop, big bump, tail. Little loop, big bump, tail. Lowercase c. Below that dotted line, little bump, tail. Little bump, tail. Uppercase D. Starting at the top. This is a letter that you will be picking up your pencil to write the rest of the word. You can see that the tail ends at the top. So it's a big line down, little loop, big bump, and the tail ends at the top. You'll pick up your pencil and write the rest of the word. Big line down, loop, big bump, tail. Big line down, loop, big bump, tail. Lowercase d. Starting at the dotted line, little bump, big line up, down, tail. Little bump, big line up, down, tail. Uppercase E. Bump, bump tail. Kind of looks like a backwards 3. Bump, bump tail. Lowercase e. Now you don't see the tail here, but we can start at the baseline and it's a little loop, bump tail. Little loop, bump tail. Uppercase F. Starting at the top, we have a squiggle. Pick up your pencil to the center. Big line down, bump, tail, and make sure you cross it on that dotted line. Squiggle, big line down, bump, tail, and cross. So this tail will go through and into the next letter. Let's do it a couple more times. Lastly, lowercase f. Starting at the baseline, it's a big loop up, big line down, loop, tail. Big loop up, big line down, loop, tail.